That is such a Jamaican default move. If they start cruising ready, run out athletes. It's something that we do at development meets. We do it all the time. Such a default.
That's Adele Tracy, who won the 1500-meter title yesterday.
I mentioned it as a Jamaican default. That's why when Adele Tracy, who lives and trains in the UK, and Aliyah Moore of Guyana, they got the same instruction as everybody. They didn't move.
Another look at Chanel Clark-Giddings and Kevin Gay Fowler.
Right. So the announcer, the stadium announcer, is announcing per the online system, but that's not what's on the track. So he introduced Naja Gibson of Life University, who's not there. So this young lady, bib number 529, is Anastasia Blackwood of Sydney Pagan.
Finished second in the 1500 meters behind Adele Tracy last evening.
This, I believe, should be Gabrielle Wilkinson on the red, as well as Naja Gibson from Life University.
Yeah, they're definitely not in their assigned lanes.
No. And the announcer is having a big challenge with that.
I wonder why we're having this, though.
That's what I'm saying. Put them in their assigned lanes.
Yes.
You know, here on screen is Amia Samuels from Alphonsus Davis. Now we recognize Kellyanne Beckford. Her number 652, running under the Under Armour, brand new PBs. Does she go 158 today, Danielle, and
We'll
show that
find
these
out.
158s are no fluke?
She's done it twice, so I think that's solid enough.
So
there.
now we got it right again. Adele Tracy. We've spoken about her a number of times.
I was wondering where her signature smile was. There it is.
So this is definitely Liana Lewis now.
Former Edwin Allen captain a couple of seasons ago.
2 minutes 02.69 her best this season.
And this is Aliyah Moore from Guyana, the Guyanese national champion.
Shout out to all my Guyanese friends who are watching. You have your Guyanese rep in lane number 1. So do we call it, Daniel, do we say that Kellyanne Beckford wins and Adele Tracy second?
Here we go then. The women's 800-meter final is very much out and about. Clean start to the defending champion in the full black, Kellyanne Beckford there. Ranging up quite early, the Edwin Allen schoolgirl, Kevon Gay Fowler, is up there as well on the headlines. And also there, Wilkinson, Clark Giddings, Blackwood, Adele Tracy settles in mid-pack at the moment as they leave the 200-meter marker on the first leg. It's the defending champion, Kellyanne Beckford, dictating the tempo.
27 seconds through 200 meters. 10 athletes started this race, and they have 500 meters to go.
Beckford doing what she needs to do. She's the season leader. Doesn't want to take any chances and play around and mess up the pace, so she takes charge of it. Running strong here, Beckford.
Aliyah Moore, the Guyanese national champion, they get the bell. She's in second at the moment.
Came through 458 seconds, Beckford. Good pace for her there.
Adele Tracy in third at the moment. The 1500-meter winner from last evening, but it's Kellyanne Beckford, the defending champion and the fastest Jamaican this season, that takes them down the backstretch for the final time. It's a mad scramble behind her. Aliyah Moore, the Guyanese national champion, is there. Adele Tracy is there as well. They're all bunching up behind Kellyanne Beckford, who is still in control.
Beckford, she's had so much improvement this season. Got her 400 time down to 52 seconds, 158 twice, and she leads them into the home straight away.
Kellyanne Beckford takes them off the top bend for the final time. Adele Tracy comes calling, wants to make a late shout, but Kellyanne Beckford looks good for the win. Kellyanne Beckford retains her national title and becomes a back-to-back champion in the women's 800 meters. Adele Tracy settles for second. The flash time, or officially now, 2 minutes 02.74 seconds, the winning time for Kellyanne Beckford.
National champion again for Kellyanne Beckford. Adele Tracy, Bruce, you called it. 1-2. Came in as the fastest, ranked first and second. Beckford, the season leader. There she is, coming into the second lap of this race, into the home straightaway, being chased by Adele Tracy and Aliyah Moore of Guyana. But Beckford did enough just to control this race, not caring about time too much, just wants the win. And she's your national champion again after a stellar season, running 1 minute 58.46 seconds to come into the championship as the fastest Jamaican woman this season. 2:02.74 for the victory for Kellyanne Beckford.
Adele Tracy second. Aliyah Moore, the Guyanese champion, third. Leanna Lewis in fourth.
So we have 2 hurdle races. Oh, no, we have the men's 800, sorry. I hope Nebraska Anderson is here again.
Kellyanne Beckford, 2:02.74. Adele Tracy, 2:03.93. Aliyah Moore, 2:04.69. Leanna Lewis, 2:04.82.